when I went to Hajj last time, I requested Allah to give me the boy that He loves. I think so. Everyone, each one of you, or whoever has met Hamza, will say that he's Allah's boy.
Thank you so much to everyone. Yeah, let the music go on in the background, but requesting everyone. The pictures are sure ये जो पूरी टीम है आपकी, right from the Bismillah ceremony to Qawwali night और ना जाने कितने events, genuinely, and today is a very special, I wouldn't say it's the last event, but the start of this beautiful chapter of their life. One thing that you have to say to all your team members that have been a part of this journey.
A very warm welcome and good evening to all the esteemed guests present over here, and assalamu alaikum to everybody. First of all, thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the very second thanks is to Shri Dr. Akhtar Hassan Rizvi Sahab, who is my husband and the beloved father of Mrs. Mrs. Rumaira Hamza Warsi Rizvi. Woo! We welcome you, sir. Yes, and second thank, and a big thank you to the whole team. You know, we had altogether 15 functions without an event management team. Whenever I used to call an event management team and I used to sit and interview, they used to tell me, "Ma'am, hum hai na karte karte, flawless, without any casualty, without any problem." This marriage was completely a destination wedding. We started from Delhi, from our beloved Hamujan's Haldi, and then we came back to celebrate Haldi, Mehndi, Bismillah ceremony with you all. We went to Saudi all the way for 8 days. We came back again, my goodness, and then we celebrated one of the receptions. We went back again to Lucknow to celebrate Hamujan's Walima. We came back again, and now we are again celebrating this with you. Without any event management team, and this is the team. Rahil, thank you for being a lovely host. You know that the reception in Taj, Rahil was a guest, and the way he picked up the mic and he said, "Ma'am, bang on, I am there," because there are so many VIP guests. And then he kept on asking, I don't know whether he had some food or not, but thank you, Rahil. I thank each one of you, because if there is no team, there is, wedding, function, birthday, or any kind of celebration can take place. Yes, it's a boom boom on Insta, it's a boom boom on Facebook. I didn't know that it's going to hype so much, but yes, without all your support, it wouldn't have been possible. Thank you guys, thank you so much. And today also they are all set, because they have their personal performance, because this is the last day, and each is going to win. I don't know, they are dreaming that if we perform, that we are going to have 50,000. 50,000 का इनाम है जीतने वाले को, और 5,000 का हारने वाले को. So let them dream, and I'm sure that जैसे आप लोगों ने हमजान की हल्दी से लेके बिस्मिल्लाह, मेहंदी, हर फंक्शन सेलिब्रेट किया, और हर फंक्शन में आप हमारा हिस्सा रहे, स्पेशली द प्रेस. Sohail Fidai साहब, thank you so much. Seb Decorator, thank you so much. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday. See, I don't forget, because you know money is secondary for me. Appreciation is the first thing. Tanveer Tofu, you have been the best. Wedding stories. My God, I'm waiting for the stories to come up. I'm waiting for that particular video. The song that you all heard is for every little girl who's born from a mother's womb, who grows on the father's lap. This song was prepared solely and personally by Mr. Anish Matthew. Thank you, Anish. Today you're not there. Dunya mein hai, but he's not there in India today. May Allah bless him. But the day he was preparing this song, his daughter was born. So I bless Ziva also, that he made this song for my daughter, and I'm going to make sure that when Ziva grows up, and if I'm alive, I'm going to play this song again for Ziva. So thank you, Anish, wherever you're listening to me. Thank you so much for touching my heart. Thank you, Mr. Saqib. Saqib has been completely a moral support to me. Each one of you, if I do forget, my sisters, my brothers, and any one of you if I'm forgetting, and I am apologetic, because I don't know today, I'm too much of overwhelmed, because tomorrow my daughter flies back to UK, being Mrs. Rumaira Hamza Warsi Rizvi. Thank you, Hamza, for being such a lovely boy. You know, when I went to Hajj last time, I requested Allah to give me the boy that he loves. I think so. Everyone, each one of you, or whoever has met Hamza, will say that he's Allah's boy. Hamjan badna na. You know, we are best friends, and I can gossip and gossip and gossip about everybody, even about Rumera. So thank you, and Badlana. Directly, I got him from the Nepal border. Yes, I love his eyes, I love his smile, I love everything about him. Badlana. Yes, I do love my daughter a little bit more. Yes, being a mother, I love my daughter, and everybody should love their daughters. And I will always request Hamza that no daughter becomes the private property of a husband. It's always the property of the parent. Yes, you are just a caretaker. If you don't want it, give my wealth back to me. So Hamza, if you don't like her, if she teases you, if she tortures you, don't give her back to me. You can listen to your call. मेरी मुसीबत बच्चा घर ले गया. So welcome to the crazy family, my boy. And Dr. Lizzie, as usual. I have not seen Allah. I don't want to see Allah. It always says that ऊपर खुदा है, नीचे मिजाजी खुदा. So you be doing. Thank you so much.
सजी आज लाडो मेरी खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ हो ना हो उदासी कभी दुल्हन के जोड़े में सजी आज लाडो मेरी खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ हो.
Thank you so much to everyone. Yeah, let the music go on in the background, but requesting everyone. The pictures are done, I think. Yeah, thank you so much. आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, आप सब आराम से नीचे आ जाए. Thank you. Whoever is performing is requested to please be towards the right.
जी थामा ना, अजी भाई यार रुकिए ना.
Sir, for joining us.
और ये हमारी बहन है रुकना जी की शादी यानी हमारे परिवार की शादी है और इसके लिए मैं तो जो मेरी बच्ची को शुभकामनाएं दूंगा, मेरी बहन या भाई की बच्ची को शुभकामनाएं दूंगा, वही शुभकामनाएं के लिए इतने भले उतने सुखी रहे, आनंदी रहे, ऊपर आने का
अंदर मत हो फ्रेम में.
मिलते हैं.
कीर्तिकर साहेब इथे
यहाँ पे सर, यहाँ पे सर, यहाँ पे देखिए सर।
यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ देखिए। यहाँ पे देखिए भाई, यहाँ पे देखो। यहाँ सर लुक क्या, सर लुक क्या, सर यहाँ पे देखिए थोड़ा। हाँ थांबतात आहे या सर इथे सर एक मिनिट
हो ना, काय 1 मिनिट.